This started, right? The recording.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think the recording has started.
Yeah. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. So, welcome everyone. My name is Random Kashyap. I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and I'm currently pursuing MCA from Tesco University. So today we'll talk about how to be an MLSA, this is Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and everything about it, how to apply, how to join. We'll get to know everything. So stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, let me off the camera for brainwave vision. Okay. So what is MLSA? Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, which is MLSA. Then Learn Student Ambassador are a global group of campus leaders who are eager to help fellow students. It is more like a community where some students or anyone which are in technology background, the background doesn't matter actually. If you are a student and eager to learn and then technology interests, you can be an MLSA. So in this community, you will get everything regarding to technology. You will get various help. And here we conduct various events and leaks about various things like IoT, AI, ML, machine learning, and a lot of that things that are related to technology. And I can say it is one of the best community ever that I have ever gone through. Here in the it enhances the students' employability by offering training skills not usually taught in academia, including knowledge of Microsoft technologies. So you'll get most importantly the industrial knowledge, and then you you will develop various technologies that are not normally taught in the university or in the academics. So what are the benefits of MLSA? So there are 3 milestones in the MLSA. First is alpha, second is beta, and here third is goal. So in alpha, for reaching to the alpha milestone, you have to create you have to complete the Learn pod in the Microsoft Learn, which is free, of course. After becoming an alpha, you will get the USD dollar 150 monthly Azure credit, which you can use for various softwares, products, and services. And then secondly, you will get the Visual Studio Enterprise, about which we will talk about later on in this event. And then LinkedIn Learning. I have recently gone through this learning, and it is one of the best. I can say that you will get various learning pods like AI, ML, mostly cybersecurity, ethical hacking, everything, Python, Java, everything you will find here. And then it is MTC, Microsoft Technology Certificate, like A to Z 900 for Azure Cloud, and then A to Z DP. These are the certain things that you will get it for free after becoming alpha. And yeah, name.com, domain name. You'll get it completely for free. Here in place of name, you will provide any like if I give orindomkashyap.com, that will be good. So after that, then, you have to contact an event for reaching to the beta ambassador. And there you will get the same as the alpha benefits. Along with that, you will get the swag. The swag, I can say, yeah. You'll get a Microsoft Flux and then a Cube and Sporting. And these are the things that you will get from the Microsoft after becoming a beta, which is good. Event support. Yeah, you will get a lot of supports, including the employers of the Microsoft. They will provide you various support, and all the student ambassadors, they will provide you everything. Means they will support you to contact an event, to learn some new technologies. And every week, every day of the week, there are some event are going on that you can participate, and you will get to learn a lot of things. And the last one is Cool Student Ambassador. In this ambassador, you will get both the alpha and beta benefits and access special events and speaking engagements. You will get to talk various Microsoft organized international events, and yeah, you will get to the MVP, the most valuable person. So these are the benefits of the becoming Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. You have heard about this TechSmith, Snagit, and Camtasia, right? These are some of the recording software that you will get it for free. So these are the benefits of PopCam. How to apply? Okay, I will show you step by step how to apply to this to become an MLSA. So let's jump to it. I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. So in the bazaar, you will search Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. And then after that, you go here. Minimize this. And then you click apply now. Loading. Okay. So after clicking the apply, you will come to this page, and here are some rules. And this the next Microsoft application will be open. Yeah, you have to complete it before August 31, 2021. So I'll click next. Privacy and some privacies and terms that you have at least be 16 years old, and you have to enroll in a full-time academic institutions. And these are the certain things you already have. And here in the personal information, you have to your first name, last name, gender, pronoun, everything. This is how it. And then here, country, region, degree, program. If you have anything up, you can ask me in the in between when I am talking. Okay. And this part is the most important for becoming an MLSA. Here, you have to provide a video and 2 written samples. So you can choose one of these 3 questions. First is, what inspired you about technology? The second is, how would you teach a technical concept to a friend? And the third is, how would you promote a technical event at school? So if I choose this here, then you have to conduct present a 2-minute video. It should be under 2 minutes, and you can upload it in the YouTube as unlisted, or you can share it with everyone, and then you can share the link here in this folder. And the other 2 technologies here. How would you take a technical concept and teach it to a friend or peer that has never heard of it? And the third question is this. So मतलब यहाँ पर ये तीनों क्वेश्चन ही बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसको मतलब एकदम अच्छे से टाइप करना, जो भी मतलब be real. I think मतलब whatever you want to say it in a very proper way, in a very efficient way. Be real for yourself. And after this event, I will provide you in the email what I have written and the video also, so that you can get some idea to become an MLSA. So, okay, social media. Yeah. Here you can provide the URL such as if you have ever written any blog in the media or any social platform, then you can provide the URL. Now here, if you have recorded any technical how-to videos, then you can provide the URL here. Then if you have an online resume or website, you can provide it here. And all are not mandatory. Those are you have already. You can provide it here. And GitHub repository is good if you provide a GitHub repository because they see it. Then LinkedIn, which is a great platform. And then any blog site that you maintain. These are the things. Yeah, Instagram account, Stack Overflow, and Twitter. After filling all this, you can click next. And then here you can say which of the technologies interest you. If you try, you can choose from this drop-down menu, like artificial intelligence, blockchain, data science, DevOps, gaming, Internet of Things, a lot of things. So, and the last question is there anything else you would like to share with us? So here you can provide, if you ever being do an internship or training, like intern or student partner. So you can provide it here, or any experience that you have at any hackathon or a workshop, you can provide it here. That will be a great benefit, and surely you can select it for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So this is the how to apply session. Actually, this is Microsoft Learn. I will show you what is Microsoft Learn actually. Okay. Okay. So you can explore this site. It is completely free, and you can get various courses here for free, and it is directly from the Microsoft. After completing the pot, you can get the certificate like Microsoft Azure A2Z 900. I'll show you the Learn pot. Yeah. Here you can choose the product that you want to learn about. There are different products: .NET, Azure, Dynamics 365, Flipgrid, GitHub, HoloLens, Microsoft is a lot of softwares. If I choose Windows, and after that, if role, what do you want to be in future, Mana? After selecting this platform, Windows. So if I want to be an administrator of this Windows, you can see in this right side, there are some modules that you can study. This is analyze your device and their readiness. These are things. If you click here in the learning pot, you'll get see various learning pot that you can complete. For Azure, which is very famous, I'll show you right away. This Azure, and then if I choose the learning pot, you'll get to the Azure fundamentals. This is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 2. Yeah. After completing all of this, you will get to know about what is Azure and the exam, that is A2Z 900 and the DPT, and it will be very easy for you. So here, after completing this, if I do start, yeah, you will get this XP. So this is a great platform for learning. You can explore here, and it is completely for free. You just need to log in with your email, and you will get everything for free. Okay, any questions? No. Okay. Okay, I'll show you my MLC profile, huh? After becoming an MLC, how your MLC profile look like. And there will be a quiz session at the last of this event. And the quiz winner will get some surprise gifts. I've already opened here, yeah. Recordings. So this is my profile. Yeah, you can see I'm in the first milestone. This is alpha. And after becoming beta, here it will upgrade to the beta. And of course, I can nominate if you are you are interested to become an MLSA. So email me if you want to be the MLSA. So last date of this cohort session will be August 31, and the result will be declared on October. So email me if you want to be an MLSA. If you want to conduct such events, want to some learn great things, great technologies, and meet up various enthusiasts about technologies from all over the world. Okay. How to this done. Okay. Now let us dig into the Visual Studio Code. So what is Visual Studio Code? मेरे जब मैं अंडर ग्रेजुएट कर रहा था तब मतलब मैं सोच रहा था कौन सा आईडी यूज करूँ आईडी मतलब इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट so there are different id like dev c++ code block and there are various others so uh, uh, तब मुझे मतलब पता नहीं था कि विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड भी होता है so after I get used to it and I can say that this is one of the great IDE and you can obviously put in any language here whether it is Flutter, Dart, C, C++, Java, Python, everything and you will get various features here so I'll just tell you how to install the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Here, Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's go to this site. You can download it for it will automatically detect your OS version, which version you are running, Mac OS or Windows or Linux. It is available for all three platforms. So I have downloaded this already. Okay, this one. After downloading, it will be shown here. You just click open file and you just accept these terms and policies. Next, and here create a desktop icon. It will be good, and it will automatically create a path to your environment variables. So this is very great option provided by the Visual Studio. So you don't need to manually enter the path. So after that, you click next, and then you click install. As I have already downloaded or installed, so I'll not install the Visual Studio Code. I'll just sit here. You can install it from now. Okay, let's dig into the Visual Studio Code. Okay, here's our Python program is going on. I have recently started to learning Python using LinkedIn Learning. I'll show you the last one, the linked learning. So this is one of the great idea I can say. Okay, here it is new. So if I click open file, new file, now here it also select a language to get started. So if you select a language, you can see C, C Sharp, C++, CSS, and it also everything that Python, Ruby, Razor, every language. You don't need to download separately. This Python for Python, Eclipse, Atom. This is one of the great. You can try it for free. So if I'll not select, I will open okay, Python 3. Okay, I'll choose any one of this. So PS could provide you some themes that you can use that will I prefer like cybersecurity. So a dark theme is always good for me. So I have already installed a dark theme. So you can go here in this extension and you can search their theme. And you will get various extension already here. You can click one of there and you can click install and it will be installed to your PS Code and you can use them. This is one of the great. This is material icon theme, one of the great extension. So you provide this. These are the icons that only due to this material icon theme. And if you are learning Python, Flutter, and this is Dart language, this icon is the great. It will create a great environment to do coding. Okay, let me try different themes. So I'll the shortcut for this Control Shift and P. And here if you try the theme, and here you'll get the theme, color theme, and here you can navigate here. These are the some themes you can see, and you can choose any one of them. So I prefer the dark one. This way you can set your theme. And then Control Shift P, this is the option. You can make sure this arrow sign is there, okay? If the arrow sign is not there, if you type theme, there will be nothing, no matching results. So make sure the arrow sign is there. And in VS Code, you will find in the most right side this small mini map. Sometimes it's annoying, but sometimes it's beneficial. So you can minimize it or use it as your own choice. So to minimize it, you can go here in the view section and this show minimap. You can disable it or enable it your choice. Okay, now that you are seeing that this sidebar, whenever I click here, it always shown in the leftmost side, left side. So you can change it to the right side also, so that this code does not get shifted to the right side. And for doing that, you have to go to the settings, and in Visual Studio Code, you can use the shortcut for settings, that is Control and okay. Here, if you search here sidebar, okay, I will open this here and this sidebar location. If you choose right, it will shift it to the right, and you can see that now your code does not shift it. It will be as it is. So it is your choice. So I'll choose it to be left. as it looks good. You also know that this title here shows that conditional start Python to Visual Studio Code. You can also change these settings by typing some your own terminology sources. Let me show you. Okay, here I'll go to settings. You can use control plus comma or just go to the here settings and use search title. And here it will this dirty. Dirty means I'm working on this um, Python code and it is not ready, means I have to make it proper. So here you can use your emojis such as, if I use this, you can see in the top that those emojis are shown. You can write anything here, like something hacker. It will automatically be shown there. So it is interesting. You can make it. And then navigation, how to navigate in this files. So navigation is something which makes your life easier. Suppose this is very small program. Sometimes that your code goes to up to thousands of lines. Then you need, if you need to search for something, like suppose if I make a comment here, I'm just showing you an example, right? So type Control plus F, and if I search here comment, and it will show you comment. So this is one of the great. And then if I want to replace this comment with something other code, like anything, and I will click here and it will replace the comment. So you can do that in your coding to make it simple and easier to search for certain things and replace the all. Okay. And then next line number navigation, and here I am using the searching. Sometimes what happen, if you compile a code, then it will show error in some lines, error in line number 10, error in line number 11 or something like that. And for that you can directly go to the line number by using a feature of VS Code, which is Control plus P. Okay. After going there, if you enter colon, and suppose I want to go to the line number 10, okay, and this shadow will automatically go to that line. If I want to go to the 20, yeah, these are certain features that Visual Studio Code provide us. And in the leftmost side, you can see here this GitHub. You can initialize your repository here. And if I means it's very useful to pull requests or anything like related to GitHub is connected to GitHub. If I click our initialize repository, it will, yeah, these are the certain things. I make a lot of changes here. And you can use it for to do project with others in the GitHub section. And this is for run and debug. Okay.
Hello, Arnab.
Yeah.
Can you show how to debug a Python code in VS Studio? In Visual
Yeah.
Studio.
Sure. Okay. Let me go to. You have to go to this icon shown here with this little bug, and then this already this current file. Suppose I'm running these different programs, okay, and I want to debug this. So I'll go here, and then you can choose this green arrow type play button. And yeah, it is debug. Okay, I'll show you something. This is you can this is JSON file for debugging. You can send it as your own. If you know JSON, if you don't know, that's all right. It's already set up. So by going, if there are any exception, it will shown here in this fields. So this way you can debug. Now this program don't have a bug, so that's okay.
Okay, thank
Hmm. Okay, this is all VS Code. Okay, it's recording. Suppose I want to do a program in Java. So if I click Java, so this is debugger for Java. You can install this, and it will show a lot of commands that you can do. You can read this. So if I install, I got install, and you can use this for also some Java programs. Okay. So you can use this Visual Studio Code. It is very user friendly, and interface is so good that you can change your theme, font size, and everything. So I prefer this Visual Studio Code if you want to do coding. I'll show you some other things. This okay. You guys notice this GitHub Campus expert program is going on, so you can apply for it. The last date is 29th, I guess. So you can go GitHub Campus, and this is also one of the best program. And GitHub is under the Microsoft. You go here, and you can click in the apply section, and okay, the application will close on August 29. So hurry up and apply here to become an GitHub Campus expert. I have already applied. Okay, let me show you here. Yeah, anything? So you need to basically create your You can apply in the GitHub Campus Expert only by using the GitHub profile. This your GitHub account, email, and password. So I have already applied. You can explore there, and then okay, I'll show you the what is LinkedIn Learning, why and why it is to create. You all of you are in LinkedIn, right? So it's basically more better than this, but it is the cost is a little more high for us. But after becoming an Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, you'll get it for free. So try to be an MLC. So if I go here, you can see there are different programs. If I choose cyber security, there are various platforms here. Cybersecurity Foundation, many courses. You can see in this there are 769 courses. If I choose this learning pot, you'll get this complete learning pot for free. Only after you becoming an MLC. Pay for it, but it's a little higher. So yeah, this is okay. Let's see. Okay, we have some time. Okay. Everyone, please. If you are using mobile, then please go to the website. It is cohort.it. And I will provide you the pin. It will be fun. I promise you. Okay, let me provide you the pin. I have already created an who is play post. Okay, classic. So everyone, please go to this cohort.it. You just type cohort.it and you can enter the pin here. The pin is 7019517. Almost 24. Please just go to this cohort.it and enter the pin. You can enter your nickname there. Let's wait for a few more people to join. You don't need to install an app to go into this website. Okay, let's wait for a few more people to join. Yeah, I can hear. Sixth. Okay, let's one more candidate join. Eight people have joined. Nine. And more people will join, it will be more fun. Okay, let's conduct a quiz. Okay, I'll start now. The rule is simple. You just you will see the options with certain shapes, and in inner screen you will see those shapes, and the answers will be visible in my screen. You'll just need to select the answer. So okay, let's start. Best of luck, all of you. You just select the shape. Okay. You need to select the shape. And here is the hero chicken. Wow. These are very simple and easy questions. Yes. Sundar Pichai pages. Okay, Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google, and the pages from Amazon. We have Rocky Unicorn. That's the star. He was answered correctly. Okay, Rocky Unicorn is on fire. It's actually 2016. Next. Rocky Unicorn. Okay, it's actually Ned Fredman, and this three of this Chris Wanstead, Scott Kewan, and Tom Preston Warner. These are the founder of GitHub. Okay, let's go to the next question. Rock Unicorn. Magic Litchi. Great. Xbox. PlayStation is owned by Sony. Okay. Good, good. This is a little tricky. Only one. Windows Me, actually, it is a Windows person. You can search this in the Google. That's just 2015. Last question. And this is, can do it. All of you have answered the correct. So, winner. Hero Chicken. Rocky. Ah, good.
Bro, gift ki diba এতিয়া gift ki diba? Wow.
Yeah, sure. Details swag is on the way. Let me take a screenshot. That is fun, right? You can use this cohort. It is it's fun to play. So you can use this to play with your friends and families. You can create your own quiz here. Okay, next. You have any questions about how to apply to the MLSA or anything? No. Okay, then. Oh, okay. Thank you, Rishita. Okay. And last but not least, please plant a tree. And this is a very this common word from our Ujjwal Maradakar, and which is also he's now in a beta MLSA. So it's like we are using a lot of resources, cloud computing, data centers, internet. These are the technologies, and to keep it going, everything need to be in cold temperature, right? So lot of electricity is used to keep the data centers cold. So it will be very beneficial for the earth if you do plant a tree and try to keep the earth naturally at a lower temperature. So of course plant a tree. Thank you, Itzel Bhaiya. And last but not least, thank you for attending this amazing session. And yeah, you can apply for the MLS also, and the application is going on. And this is Major League Hacking. And I will update you at the current internship position in one of the greatest company in the WhatsApp group. So check it out, and you can scan this QR code to tell me that what is going wrong, what is going right, gone right, so that I can improve more in my future events. And thank you for attending the session, guys. You can scan this QR code. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Rishita. Okay. Thank you. I'll just now end the meeting. And thank you all, Nitish, Chinmoy, Tonmoy, Sakline, Deep, everyone that joined this meeting and bear with me. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Let me stop the recording.